Imagine stepping into a time machine that transports you to Amsterdam's golden age, complete with the luxuries of modern living. Welcome to the Houthavens. This is Amsterdam's new $1.8 billion hidden new neighborhood. From classic brick facades to high-tech underground tunnels, this new neighborhood offers a truly unparalleled living experience. Amsterdam is transforming its old wood harbors into the city's newest gem, the Houthavens neighborhood. This huge $1.8 billion project is located near the city center, making it a very desirable place to live. It's rare to see a neighborhood of this size being built so close to downtown. Nestled along the Eye River, Houthavens seamlessly blends into Amsterdam's iconic landscape due to its remarkable design. New, but old. The neighborhood's new 7 unique islands pay homage to the city's rich architectural history while embracing cutting-edge design and technology. It's like stepping into a time machine, experiencing centuries of Dutch craftsmanship in one place. In this video, we'll walk and explore the new islands, which pay a homage to the city's rich architectural history while embracing cutting-edge design and technology. Join us and tell us in the comments if you want to live in this neighborhood in Amsterdam. A journey through time, the architectural wonders of Houthavens. As you explore the architectural wonders of Houthavens, it's like stepping into a living museum of Dutch craftsmanship, where each island tells its own story of Amsterdam's rich history. First up is Narva Island, a modern interpretation of the classic canal belt from the 1500s. The luxury townhouses here feature varying facades and a vibrant palette of colors, creating a harmonious yet unique streetscape guided by the principles of ordered chaos. It's like the architects took a page from the 16th century playbook and gave it a 21st century twist. Moving on to Weborg Island. You'll find a blend of traditional 1600s warehouses with modern elements. This design draws from Amsterdam's golden age, when merchants stored their goods in these iconic buildings. The modern hybrids on Wiborg Island maintain the same ordered chaos as Narva Island, but with a bit more of an industrial edge. For a taste of the Amsterdam's Neo-Renaissance style, head over to the third island, Memel Island. Here, the buildings feature horizontal layers of natural stone, creating a striking striped illusion that's sure to catch your eye. It's like stepping into the late 1800s, but with all the comforts of modern living. And then we have the rest of the islands: Reval Island, Stettin Island, and Karlskrona Island. These islands showcase the iconic Amsterdam School of Architecture. Think brick patterns, smooth edges, intricate ironwork, and unique facades that'll make you want to stop and stare. Reval Island is the largest of the three, with brick buildings featuring round corners and small rectangular windows. Stettin Island, on the other hand, blends the Amsterdam School with the Dutch version of Frank Lloyd Wright's architecture, featuring horizontal windows divided into smaller panes, stout roofs, and rectangular shapes with brick towers. And if you're looking for a taste of the Amsterdam School's original aim of providing better living conditions for the working class, head over to Karlskrona Island, where you'll find 2 buildings with smooth brick design elements dedicated entirely to social housing. But the architectural wonders of Houthavens don't stop there. Just wait until you see the eye-catcher of Island Zero, the Pondsteiger. If the architectural wonders of Houthavens have left you in awe, just wait until you lay eyes on Island Zero and the Pondsteiger. These modern marvels push the boundaries of contemporary design, offering a glimpse into the future of urban living. Island Zero is a sight to behold, with its towering high-rise buildings crafted from concrete frames. As the tallest of all the islands in Houthavens, it serves as a protective shield, insulating the area from the clamor of industrial noise. But what truly sets Island Zero apart are the superlofts, a revolutionary concept in customizable living spaces. With prefabricated concrete bases and the freedom to install CLT floors and wooden interior walls, residents can tailor their homes to suit their unique lifestyles and routines. It's like having a blank canvas to paint your perfect living space, all while enjoying the breathtaking views of Amsterdam's skyline. And then there's the Pondsteiger, a true icon, a colossal high-rise that stands as a literal gateway to Houthavens. This iconic structure is a testament to modernism, elevating the adventurous spirit of post-war high-rise buildings to new heights. Its imposing presence commands attention, yet its sleek lines and contemporary design invite you to explore the possibilities of modern living. Local hospitality kingpin One Yip bought the penthouse, which has a total of 1,440 square meters, for 16 million euros. And as you stroll through the streets of Island Zero, you'll notice an aesthetic that can only be described as ordered chaos. Each building is a unique masterpiece, yet together they form a harmonious whole. The variety in design is a far cry from the monotony often associated with concrete high-rises, proving that modern living can be both functional and visually stunning. The brilliance of Houthavens is in giving residents choices within set limits. The simple standard building designs create unity, while allowing for personalized interiors adds individuality and creativity. Inner walkways under Block 0 provide safety and community, making the neighborhood feel cohesive in a way modern housing often lacks. Houthavens is more than just buildings. It's a vibrant ecosystem that blends with its surroundings. Green spaces throughout add calm to the city life, giving residents a place to relax and enjoy nature. It feels like a peaceful urban island in a busy city, just as the architects intended. Balancing act, affordability and integration. As you wander around and delve into the details of Houthavens, you might wonder, can a modern urban development be both affordable and inclusive? Achieving this balance demands careful planning and a dedication to meeting the needs of all residents. Picture this, a vibrant community nestled along the River, where the hustle and bustle of city life blends seamlessly with the tranquility of green spaces and quiet residential streets. Houthavens aims to strike that perfect balance, offering a mix of housing options that cater to a diverse range of lifestyles and budgets. But it's not without its challenges. Initially, the plan was to dedicate a whopping 30% of the development to social housing, ensuring that affordability remained a top priority. However, financial constraints have forced a reduction to 20%. It's a reality that many cities face as they grapple with the complexities of urban growth and development. The result is that the average housing price sits just above €600,000. Yet Houthavens refuses to compromise on its vision of a multi-use neighborhood that prioritizes the well-being of its residents. Strategically placed buildings serve unique functions, enhancing the character and livability of the area. And with a focus on green spaces like the impressive Houthaven Park that sits above a tunnel for cars, the development aims to improve air quality and provide a public oasis for all to enjoy. As you wander through the streets of Houthavens, you'll notice a distinct lack of commercial intrusion. It's a deliberate choice, one that fosters a quiet residential atmosphere where people can truly feel at home. And with vehicles tucked away beneath the islands, the pedestrian-friendly design encourages a sense of community and connection. The future of living, completing Houthavens by 2023. As you stand on the edge of Houthavens, gazing out at the bustling construction sites and emerging structures, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe and anticipation for what the future holds. This $1.8 billion neighborhood is more than just a collection of buildings. It's a testament to Amsterdam's unwavering commitment to innovation and sustainable urban living. Picture yourself strolling along the tranquil canals, flanked by a harmonious blend of historical and modern architecture. The brick facades and unique patterns of the Amsterdam School Islands create a sense of warmth and character, while the sleek lines and towering heights of Island Zero and the Pannsteiger hint at the cutting-edge design that lies within. As you explore the neighborhood, you'll discover a wealth of green spaces and multi-use zones that cater to the diverse needs of its residents. From the impressive Hawa Park that sits atop a car tunnel to the strategically placed buildings that enhance livability, every aspect of Houthavens has been carefully considered to foster a sense of community and well-being. And with the project set to be completed by 2024, the excitement is palpable. Soon, this once industrial area will be transformed into a thriving neighborhood that seamlessly integrates with its surroundings, offering a glimpse into the future of urban living in Amsterdam. If you're fascinated by the transformation of Houthavens, don't miss our next video on the $850 million restoration of Notre Dame Cathedral, set to reopen in the summer of 2024. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in urban innovation.